Today is another day you get to see me live trade using my custom scans. What I'm using right now is a Squeeze Pro scan that looks for tickers that are in at least a 3-dot squeeze, but I changed it to 5 dots. And I use that for the regular squeeze and the Squeeze Pro. I'm also checking for stacked EMAs across weekly, daily, 4-hour, 2-hour, and 1-hour time frames. And I'm also looking for aligned histograms across those same time frames. Hello and welcome back. Dr. B here with Ready, Set, Grow. And on this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Check the description where you can find the link to the scans I'm using in this video. You are about to see me make $500 in 5 minutes on a trade on XOM. I just ran the scan on the daily time frame looking for tickers that have fired from a 5-dot squeeze, and so far what I got is XOM, one of the tickers that's meeting all criteria. It has stacked EMAs on all the time frames and the histograms are all aligned. What I like especially about XOM is that the sector overall, XLE, fired long yesterday, so this gives me more confirmation to take this ticker long. With that being said, I'm looking for calls for XOM. I always trade the following week, usually in the money or at the money, and I'm looking at the 98 call for XOM. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an order for calls. I'm going to get 25 contracts. Confirm and send, and I am filled on XOM. I immediately went negative as soon as I entered the trade. You can see that I entered the trade at 9:41. I alerted this ticker to my Discord server, and already 1 minute into the trade, I am already green. So now I'm just waiting to see how green I'm going to get, see if I can squeeze a bit more out of it. Again, it's just 1 minute into the trade, and I'm up about 3%. It is now 9:43, 2 minutes into the trade, and I am up $425 and nearly 7%. I am up about 8%, so I'm going to get ready to set a closing order so I can secure some profits on this trade. I see that it's trading at around the 270 range, so I'm going to go ahead and set a sell order for 272. I'm going to sell all of my contracts. After I placed a sell order, my contract sold for the 272, and I made a total of $525. It is 9:45 a.m., so that was actually less than a 5-minute trade. $500 in less than 5 minutes, using the same approach daily. I use this approach to find tickers that have recently fired, and then I look for alignment across the time frames. For more videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and be sure you subscribe. Thank you for joining me and trading with me today. See you next time.